This video tutorial will provide the understanding of the AccuTax Help menu. The Help menu provides information to assist you when you have a question about the AccuTax software. Of course, the customer support managers are also at your disposal. But the Help function has been created to answer quick questions and fix minor issues. To access the AccuTax Help menu from any screen, click on Help in the software menu bar. In the Help menu, you can choose Current Topic. The Current Topic function provides you with information about the current task being completed or about the screen that is currently in view. All Topic Help. The All Topic Help function provides you with information about any help topic by utilizing either an index of contents or by conducting a search. Return Status Codes. The Return Status Code function gives you immediate access to the status summary codes used by AccuTax when it transmits returns information back to your transmitting computer. This information is helpful for determining the status of returns and what further steps need to be taken to process them completely. Resources. The Resource function provides quick access to the tax book library, which provides additional information about tax forms and laws. Please visit their website for more details on registering with the tax book. Federal Help. The Federal Help function immediately directs the user to the Federal Help section in the contents of Help, which will assist you with filling out the federal forms and worksheets. State Help. The State Help option will send you to the regular Help screen, from where you can choose a particular state that you are preparing. About AccuTax. The About AccuTax option shows you what packages are available with your software program and the packages you have activated. It also shows which state package you have installed. This screen also provides you with the program and print versions you are currently using, along with contact information for AccuTax sales and AccuTax customer support. After watching this video, you should now understand the AccuTax Help menu. Check out our many in-depth training video tutorials in the AccuTax University Library.